Welcome to Mantha Labs, your clinical AI imaging copilot. Configure PACS Gateway for seamless hospital network integration. Scan centers and PACS connect effortlessly to your infrastructure. Medfilm 2D converts static films into interactive diagnostic slice stacks. Dynamic Cine supports cardiac echo, angiography, and Doppler studies. Our local sandbox ensures HIPAA compliance with 0 server uploads. Professional Toolkit includes Cobb angle and Hounsfield measurements. Select CT scan film for multi-slice cross-sectional visualization. Upload DICOM folders directly from your workstation archive. Begin your AI-assisted diagnostic workflow now. Review compiled dataset with patient metadata and voxel parameters displayed. Offline pipeline interpolates slices for smooth volumetric reconstruction. Gallery view shows all 120 interpolated planes from native DICOM source. Scroll through complete axial stack for rapid anatomical orientation. Navigate seamlessly from skull base to vertex in seconds. Launch Fast Analysis Imaging Studio for real-time diagnostic review. Cine mode scrolls through slices with adjustable playback speed control. Window presets optimize brain, bone, soft tissue, and lung contrast. Manual contrast and brightness sliders refine subtle pathological findings. Export snapshots or cine loops for reports and multidisciplinary conferences. Save 2D slice snapshots instantly for documentation. Export cine loops for surgical planning conferences. Download completes with McAfee security verification. Return to gallery view for case overview. Medfilm 2D extracted 708 slices from uploaded film. Launch Advanced Clinical Imaging Studio for annotation. Zoom controls enable precise pathological examination. Navigate all 708 slices with arrow keys. AI Prompts menu offers intelligent clinical assistance. Label anatomy, measure diameter, assess CSF density. Studio Copilot opens intelligent diagnostic chat interface. Voice commands execute complex actions automatically. Clear markings and capture screenshots hands-free. Linear measurement tool quantifies lesion dimensions precisely. Multiple calibrated measurements display simultaneously on scan. Full screen mode maximizes image real estate. Bone window preset enhances osseous detail visualization. Cine loop plays through slices automatically. Return to standard view for annotation work. Navigate to slice 48 for orbital assessment. Freehand ROI tool contours posterior fossa structures precisely. Area expands to 34.6 square centimeters automatically. Elliptical ROI measures optic nerve sheath diameter accurately. Mean 13 Hounsfield units confirms vitreous density consistency. Angle measurement quantifies clivus-petrous relationship at 8 degrees. Save button archives annotated slices to patient record. Clear function removes all markings for fresh assessment. Reset restores default zoom and contrast parameters instantly. Studio Copilot processes natural language commands intelligently. AI executes dual actions: clear markings, capture screenshot. Execute actions on screen applies AI measurements automatically. Gallery Overview displays all extracted slices sequentially. Fast Analysis Studio opens for rapid case review.